It's a great day to go for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in agate black. You have black sport cloth interior seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a power sliding rear window, navigation, the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, as well as an interior work surface, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And this is the map of downtown Detroit. You have a driver's seat that is powered with a lumbar, and you have the electronic parking brake, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and your tailgate release. There's a running board and grab handle that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and I'm going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Got a little cubby up top, and then you have your auto stop start for less idle time. There's your camera. Now I'm not in gear, I just press this on, and this gives me a view out the front. That's because you have a 360 camera. So let's just press that. Hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. And now we have our screen here. You're noticing there's a little sidebar, so you can toggle through that up and down. And then on the main one, you can touch on whatever you want. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then we have navigation. So now the big map will come up. You can choose your destination, and we have our settings in there, and you can slide through. In the general, you've got your measurements and your language display. You can change the look of the display, dim it out, or make it darker, lighter, whatever you want. And then you just touch on whatever you want in there. And in your features, you've got your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. Now, we're going to put ourselves in gear, and this is the reverse. We're going to see the backup camera view. This is just protective cover. There's your bumper, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close you are to the other vehicles or objects. And there you are in space. And we'll go back into park for safety's sake. And then you have your volume and tuner down below, dual climate control, 2 heated seats, driver and passenger, AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost. There's your fan. And then down below, we have a little cubby with USB-C and USB outlet, automatic select shifter. And if we want this to go down, we just press this, and it gives us a flat surface. And the reason you want to do that is because your center armrest unclips and creates an interior work surface. So now you can have your lunch or go to work or work on your computer, whatever you want to do. But you still have your storage, which is really nice. Just push this, and underneath you've got a nice little bin. Open that up, lots of room down below, plus outlets to plug in, and then you just bring it down. You want to bring this back up, just press the button and up it comes. A couple of cup holders. You've got your 12 volt off to the side here, plus a 120 volt. 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, and this one releases from here. Grab handle in the body. And then you have your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. And you're all set to go. 20-inch wheels. Running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road package includes skid plates. You have a body colored handle in the rear. The camera is just above that handle and gives you the rear view, and you have an LED light to the right. On your bumper, you have backup sensors, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to bring down that tailgate, you just simply double-click your fob. It'll power it down for you. You've got this nice box that's got tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have an outlet here that you can plug in. And as well on the end, you have clamps on the left and on the right to be able to do a little work there if you'd like. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Bluetooth speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's grab handles in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand. It gives you more room on the floor, and you're seeing that all-weather mat that's there. That runs from one end to the other for easy cleanup. And then to bring the seat down, just simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got a couple of cup holders in the center there. You also have a 12-volt, and either side is the air vent. Down below, you have a USB-C and USB outlet, plus the 120. Grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear backup camera and sensors in the rear. 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.